Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix explorer.exe file not starting up when you start your Windows. So first method would be to open up your task manager. Then on processes you want to go ahead and find Windows Explorer. Here it is. And you want to go ahead and click restart and restart it now. If that will not fix the problem, the second method would be to clear file explorer cache. So here on search you want to write down file explorer options and you want to open it up. From here you want to be on general and you want to click on clear option right there and just go ahead and clear the cache. The third method would be to go to indexing options on your search bar. From here you want to click on advanced, and on advanced you want to click rebuild. Now also guys, you want to make sure that your Windows operating system is up to date, so just go to settings and update it. And the last option, which will probably 100% fix your problem, is command prompt. Just run it as administrator and you're going to enter a few commands here. The first one command would be sfc /scan now. Now you will need to wait for the system to scan and verify this. Now the last command would be this one. I'm going to leave that in the description for you to copy. dism online, clean up image and restore health. You can copy it. So after that you want to restart your PC and the problem should be fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.